Hi, good morning, friends. Let's start with the next practical, and that is to write an assembly language program to find count of odd and even numbers from memory block starting from D000 to D004 and store the count of odd in D500H and count of even as D501H. Let's start. So let's find out first the concept. Okay, let me share the screen. Yeah. So here, what is the concept? The concept is like this. This is the memory block given to us. And in this memory block, starting 5 total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. D000H, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The user will enter the data, suppose like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, what we want to do is we want to count each number is odd or even. If it is odd, then we have to increase one register as a counter. If it is even, we have to increase one register as a counter, correct? And we can say this is D. And for the memory location count, we will use C. If the data in this memory location is odd, then B will be increased by 1. If it is even, then D will be increased by 1. We will go on checking this till C becomes 0 and then move the content of B to one memory location and content of D to another memory location. Now, how to check whether this particular number is odd or even? It is very simple. When we take this data to an accumulator, if you write like this, D0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. If this D0 is 1, then move this 1. How you will find what is the D0? Move this 1 to right with carry. So what will happen? If this D0 is 1, the carry will be set. If carry is set, then it is even or odd. If carry is not set, then it is even. And then accordingly increase this B or increase this C. Sorry, D, because we have taken C. See here, B is taken for count odd, D is taken for count even, and C is taken for pointer. So what will be the logic? Initialize accumulator register B and D with 0 and C with 0.5 because total memory block is 0.5. Then reset the carry flag. As we set the accumulator with 0.0, similarly, we don't know that previously whether carry flag is set or not. So we will reset it. That is, we will make it as 0. Then set the memory location HL with D000H. Move the content of memory location to accumulator. Move the content of memory location to the accumulator and rotate right so that the D0 will come to carry and check whether carry flag is set or not. If carry flag is set, then it is odd. If carry flag is not set, then it is even. So move the content of memory location to accumulator. Rotate right through carry the content of accumulator. If carry equal to 1, that is if carry flag is set, then increase the count of odd. If no, then it is even, then increase the count for even. And once the comparison is done, the next is increase the memory location by 1, decrease the counter by 1. If this C equal to not equal to 0, repeat this process again till C becomes 0. Once C is 0, then move the content of B to accumulator first and then to D500H. So this will give you the count of odd. Then move the content of D, here it should be D, to D501H, so that you will get both the count of odd and even. Let's see the program. MVI A, 00H. So A is initialized by 00, C is initialized by 05, B is initialized by 00, and D is also initialized by 00. XRA, reset carry flag. So what will happen with this? Whatever the carry flag is set or reset previously, we will not take a chance. We will reset it to reset the carry flag. Then LXI H, D00H, the memory pointer HL will be pointed at D000H. Move the content of that memory location to A, accumulator, because we have to rotate through carry. This will be done by accumulator only, the content of accumulator only. So we will take this memory locations data to accumulator and we will rotate it by 1 digit. With this RAR, the D0 will become a carry and carry will become the D7, that is rotate. Now, if carry flag is set, so say C, if carry flag, jump with carry. If carry flag is set, okay, then go to OR. So it will increase the B, increase the counter of B for odd. Then increase the pointer. Pointer will be increased, so it will come to the next memory location, that is 02. Is it 0? No. Go to again. Again, M will be moved to A. Now what will be moved to A? 02 will be moved to A. Again, 02 will rotate. So what will be 02? 02 will be, here it will be 1, that is 2 raised to 1, 1, and this will be 0. So this will come here. So carry flag will be 0. So now if you say it here that is carry flag set? No. Increment T, so that it will be incremented the counter for even. Then jump even, so it will come here, increment H. Again the memory pointer will be increased to 3. Likewise, it will carry till C becomes 0. Then is C equal to 0? Yes. Then instead of again jumping to again, go to LXI H, D500H. Move B, M. So what will happen? The content of B will be moved to the memory location whose register pair is HL. Then point the HL by 5001. Move D, M. So content of D will be moved to M. So we will get the counter for odd, that is B in D500H, and even in D500H. Sound simple? That's great. So this is the practical which we have completed in this session. Please go through it. If there is any query, I don't think that there will be query now. Complete your journal and submit it. Thank you. There are some typing mistakes that we have corrected it. I will again send that particular corrected copy to you. So you just compare it and you can correct in your journal also. Thank you, friends.